Hello and welcome back to How to Reset Info. In this video, I will show you how to reset connection settings on GoPro MAX 360. Let's begin! First, we probably want to wake up our GoPro, and then we want to expand our control center. Just like that. Then head into Preferences. Inside Preferences, right at the top we have our connections. We want to click them, and we want to scroll down a little, and right at the bottom we have Reset Connections. We can click that, and you will have a nice prompt that says, hey, did you know that if you click Reset Connections, you will actually reset all connections? And of course, you want to hit reset because you are a very smart person and you already know that. Otherwise, you wouldn't look up for this video. And as you can see, we are now no longer connected, and the camera even rebooted. We are no longer connected to any kind of phone or device. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.